Back in the mid-70s, Mike Sanders, who was one of my first Kenpo instructors, taught me a set of 4 drills that he had developed, and they were designed to be done in confined areas. The 4 drills were called front hand, front foot, and back foot, because that's what they worked on. The right-handed person usually starts with the left side forward, kind of like a boxer would, so it puts your power side and back. So front hand worked the weak front hand, backhand worked the strong backhand. And it followed basically the same blocking order that the Parker forms do, which is inwards, outwards, upwards, and then downwards. Front foot and back foot did the same thing for the legs. The name was later changed to Bujin 1, Bujin 2, 3, 4, and then the 4 were put together into a 5th one called Bujin 5. I wasn't there when those were being worked on at about the time of Mike Sanders' passing in 1979. So what I'd like to share with you is the 4 drills and give you some explanations and applications of how these things work. Front hand. It's done from the left neutral bow for the right-handed person. Of course, left-handed people can work them on the opposite side. Grab and pull, hammering inward block into a back knuckle, vertical outward into a hooking punch, extended outward into a hammer fist. Upward block slides back into an uppercut. Elbow block serves as a downward, hammer fisting into the groin against the kick with an obscure elbow under the chin. Grab, pull, we work what's called the 4 winds elbows. Upwards, downwards on the sternum, elbow sandwich, outward to the face. We're going to do a shuffle back with an extended outward or a hammer fist to the head. Front hand. Backhand. Once again done from the left neutral, working on that strong right hand for the right-handed person. Straight right punch with a covering hand on the outside. Slap block or check, vertical punch, slap block or check, groin grab. Same thing, groin shot to the side, grab, rip, claw, back knuckle. Downward block with the high check, rolling back, ridge hand strikes, or picking off a kick and going into the groin shot. Elbow block against a roundhouse kick, back knuckle. Checking off, blocking, uppercutting into the body, chopping to the throat, grabbing, hammer fist. Upward block, pulled down, and elbow. The 4 winds elbow to the side. Up, down, in, out, and hammer. Front hand and back hand in sequence, facing and side view.